smells so good. Bango. Pork adobo. Hi guys! So what time is it?
Cooking time!
And what are we going to make?
Pork adobo.
Let's go to the market, guys! Salamat po, salamat po. Thank you po. One kilo po.
Sarap! Magmalat ka ng patatas! There is a show called Munting Prinsesa.
What's that about?
It's related with an orphan. I'm sure Filipinos that are watching now know that. Like, Miss Minji! Sarap! Magbalat ka ng patatas! I'm using the knife to peel the potatoes, but if you have peeler, it's easier. Nalito ako, sino yung patatas? Ito o ito?
Time to chop some meat. So meat gets chopped into pieces like this. So we just blanched the meat, so now we are going to add the onions and the garlic. Now we're adding the blanched meat. Too bad you can't smell it, guys.
And now, when we saute the onion and garlic and put in the blanched meat that we blanched previously, let's add soy sauce. The soy sauce depends on your preference on how much.
Just to taste, right?
Yeah, just to taste. Okay.
Since we blanched the meat before, we can now add the potato after like 2 minutes of cooking.
Now let's add pepper. The more pepper, the more it will taste good for me.
Pepper is cool.
Yeah. And let's add the pepper.
The paprika.
Bell pepper.
Depending on where you're from the world, it's either pepper or bell pepper or paprika.
Capsicum.
Capsicum, yep.
Ay, this potato. It's okay. Come on, mix. Whee!
Now for the famous Filipino seasoning. Now we're adding some oyster sauce, because you can't have an Asian dish without oyster sauce. Chinese people, you're not looking right now, I know that, so, because you guys don't put oyster sauce in everything, but I personally love it, so...
Some people don't put oyster sauce, but I like to put on my adobo.
Adding some bay leaf for extra flavor. How many are you putting in?
It depends, but I like to put a lot. It's like pepper for me.
Alright. Now we're adding a cube of pork broth, right? Why? Because, well, we're cooking with pork, so we might as well use pork broth. Now we're adding the broth from the
meat that we blanched earlier.
Thank you for finishing my sentence because I was lost on words.
So the taste of the meat will stay.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
So, and now we will wait for the meat to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. We'll be back. So after 3 minutes, let's add chili.
Chili peppers are the best invention of Asia.
It's siling labuyo. Tama ba? Siling labuyo to.
What does that mean?
It's just a variation of chili.
Look at that chili, chili, chili! Ooh, would you look at that? It's finished! That looks gorgeous, sexy.
And now let the hubby taste it.
Let's go! Taste test. Judging here, Millie's cooking. First I want to show you guys. Look at that. Then I'm going to try it. I think that speaks for itself. 10 out of 10. Smells so good. Bango. Pork adobo.
Let's go. I will taste again. The food critic.
Very malambot. Very
Tender.
malambot. Very tender. That's good.
0 out of 10.
11.
Let's go. You must love adobo, huh?
Adobo? Who cooked this?
You did.
No, you did.
We both did.
I taught you. Sarap.
0 out of 10.
10.
Let's go. So we got 21 points.